Please!
Ito na yung last moments yun. Kasi kami ulam, dadalawa lang.
I love MS205 even though na may rifts sometimes. The mutual respect was never missing. That's what's different. MS205 has been a comfort zone ever since, and I realized that nung patapos na lahat.
Study well. Future doctors.
Sana hindi ako maging basurero gamit ng aking linguistics degree.
Ano guys, so, siguro sa mga decision ko sa the future, sana sana hindi ko na pinagsasabay-sabay. Sana wais.
So, MS205, it has been a pleasure being your happy pill. Joke lang. Pero, I love you guys, every single one of you. Kahit yung iba na hindi masyado akong nakakausap, although lahat kayo nakausap ko, I love every single one of you. Sana, kung ano man plano nyo sa buhay, makamit nyo. Reach for the skies, huwag kayo magpakamatay. Bye-bye.
Last message for MS205.
Thank you everyone sa MS205. Dahil sa inyo natuto akong maging gago, maging extrovert. Basta you guys helped me out of my shell and thank you.
Ang masasabi ko sa MS205 is one of the best sections I have ever been in, and I would like to thank the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit for guiding me and being part of this section. And I thank you.
Thank you sa MS205 dahil ano ba yun, dapat kasi last year nandito na din ako eh. Pero ayun, thank you for accepting me kahit gano'n pa ako matarantado. Thank you for parang deeper section na parang tumanggap ng kagagawan ko.
Ayos!
I hate all of you. Fuck all of you. Nah, but Loki. Okay. Thank you all for being my friends. And I hope you all have a good life. Thank you for the time that you've given me. And I hope you all have a good life. Good luck in college, guys. Bye-bye.
Salamat MS205 dahil nilabas niyo ako sa aking cocoon, sabihin natin sabihin natin cocoon dahil nung pandemic talaga napaka-anti-social ko. Ngayon nabalik na ulit yung aking personality.
Thank you sa inyo lahat. I wish everyone good health, and I hope that you guys all pursue your dreams as much as possible. Reach for the stars, and peace.
Okay ka dun Last question comes. Thank you for choosing our section and taking your advice.
Ay, bakit umiiyak? Ba't umiiyak? Iiyak na yan.
2 years.
And for everybody in MS205, I hope that you guys pursue your dreams, and I hope that you also achieve them, and I hope that you are all successful in the future. That is all. Thank you. President, may message ba? Ako, message! Salamat sa pagiging a part ng senior high school life ko. Ito ang isa sa mga pinakamasayang section na nabutan ko. So, sana na-enjoy niyo rin yung pakikisama sa ating lahat. Sana wala masyadong nag-away, wala masyadong...
Sayang nga.
I appreciate all of you guys. My last message to you. Kung ano ang gusto niyo, gawin niyo. Peace out.